Hey guys, Luke's back, and this is my channel, Alien Gamer 800, and I'm making another JoJo's Bizarre Adventure loadout video. I've just recently, actually like just a few minutes ago, I put on the Jotaro loadout. I just did. So anyway, let's just go straight into the loadout. So it's a Killer Queen loadout, obviously, if you couldn't tell, and the cosmetics you're gonna need is the lucky hat, because it looks like a cat, and Killer Queen looks like a freaking cat. Next, you want the spectacles, but I'm pretty sure if you have another skull mask, it would also work. And you don't really need this. I mean, I don't really want to use it. I'd rather use these, but they're Halloween restricted. But, Killer Queen blows stuff up. I'm pretty sure he doesn't blow himself up, but, why not? It just, goes with the exploding theme. So, yeah, you have that. And you don't really need this. Like, I'm pretty sure you could find something else that would look better. So, yeah. Oh yeah, you should probably get if you have any better ideas for this one, or basically any of them, you could just say in the comments. For next, you want for the weapons, you want. Actually, you don't. I mean, to be honest, the only reason I'm using this one is because of the whole fire thingy. And technically, I wouldn't really be using the minigun if I'm going in with this loadout. So the minigun's not really important, but if you had to have one, I would choose this one because it burns things and explosions. But it doesn't really explode anything. So I think you understand, kind of. Next, you want the buffalo steak sandwich, or if you want the sandwich, because I remember he was like eating the sandwich, and there's a whole part in that. There's a whole part where they're talking about like sandwich and trying to get back their sandwich and stuff like that. Anyway, so it's either the sandwich because sandwich and buffalo steak sandwich because it's mostly because of your melee, which is the apocalypse. Because first of all, they kind of look like here the Killer Queen's like those things he has on his hands, and also they blow people up. And yeah, they blow people up. But that's why I'd rather eat this and then use these, because these are basically just a reskin of the basic fist. But it looks cooler. So that's why you probably want to eat this. Anyway, so yeah, I think that's basically it. There isn't much to say about this. Taunts, I don't have many, just my basic taunts I have, you know. So anyway, that's it for the Killer Queen JoJo's Bizarre Adventure loadout. This is, by the way, I also have a Killer Queen Bites the Dust loadout. Where is it? Here it is. So yeah. So technically there's two Killer Queen loadouts, but that'll be a different video. So yeah, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you next time in the next video.